Salamat tanghali guys, Taman Tribuni, M Noah, level number 5. The unit number 20 is still locked. So just wait for if open I will make a video for you, so don't worry, huh? Tangan Risaula. Let's see out from the window of level number 5, huh? From level number 5 guys, this is the parking in the front view. And this is the big side view with the parking, huh? This is the bridge number, bridge to the level number 6, huh? So sorry. Doi Vanya Panath guys, thank you so much for your sweet comments, like and shares.